Hey, Vinicius Brasil, Santa Clara real estate guy. I'm right here in front of my latest listing at 393 LaSalle Avenue in beautiful Westwood Oaks, Santa Clara. So if you're not too familiar with Westwood Oaks, it's the neighborhood located in the far southwest region of Santa Clara, bordering the new Apple campus. And majority of Westwood Oaks pertains to the Cupertino School District. There are a few homes that do follow or flow into the Santa Clara Unified School District, primarily Laurelwood. But this particular home right behind me goes to the Cupertino School District, and those schools are Eisenhower, Hyde, and Cupertino High. So welcome to our virtual open house. I'm going to take you through this property, tell you a little bit about it, and let's take a look. So first off, we're right here in front of the house, and we're doing a 360 tour. So you can pan around and take a look at whatever angle you're interested in looking at as I walk through. I'll try to keep the camera still for you. So right here in front of LaSalle, which is a nice quiet street here in the front, kind of on an elbow. You've got Randolph over here to right behind me, and then of course LaSalle kind of bends into Randolph. And right over here we're going to the front yard. Now these homes were originally built by David Bohannon, and he won some awards for these homes because the floor plans that he designed were pretty revolutionary at the time. You know, the homes included living areas that were adjacent to the backyard with patio doors, and it really was a new kind of concept at that time. So immediately when you come in, you've got a nice little formal entry. Just over here to the left of me, you'll see a coat closet door right over here. And immediately to the right when you come in, you're going to walk into a galley style kitchen, and we'll take a look at that. And this particular galley style kitchen, it's got some updated cabinetry. We recently refinished it. There's some beautiful quartz countertops with a marble or Carrara marble style, and so a nice subway tile backsplash, as you can see. It's got a large 36-inch gas cooktop over here. You've got double ovens, a little shelf over there for the microwave, and of course refrigerator on my right here. Really large sink, which I prefer. Put those big pans in and wash. And of course dishwasher. All the appliances are stainless steel. Nice looking contemporary kitchen. Take a look at inside some of the cabinets here. And you can see this kind of opens up. This is great space to put your pans. You've got a large drawer over here for more pans underneath your ovens. You know, underneath right over here, this is a good place for large pans, of course, pots. And you've got a Lazy Susan over here in the corner. Pops out. You can take a better look in there. Just above, you've got recessed lighting that's LED. A lot of dimmers throughout the house. This right here is the security system. House is equipped with a security system. And immediately I'm in the dining room or dining area that's right off the kitchen. As you can see, it's got a pendant light hanging, and it's adjacent to the living room over here on my left. So this is the typical floor plan in the Bohannon tract. This particular floor plan is about 1,280 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a fireplace. We've got a TV connection. So in the back of that TV, there is a power outlet, cross connects to HDMI, as well as cross connects to Ethernet that you can connect from. You've got a ceiling fan over here, and right back over there are your French doors that lead to your large backyard, and we'll take a look at that shortly. Just want to make sure you take a nice look at the living room, and we'll walk around as well. But before I forget, I want to take you through the garage, which is right over here. So in pretty typical 60s fashion, you know, unfinished garage. You've got a laundry sink over here. You've got your washer and dryer. Behind me, you've got your water heater. And they've put in some pegboard, which is pretty handy if you know what pegboard is. It's this board over here with holes, and you get this hardware right over here that you can insert in, and you can use that to hang things like, well, brooms and rakes and tools and all sorts of stuff. So nice way of hanging your tools and other items and make it fairly accessible instead of putting them in bins or in cabinets. And right over here in front of me, you'll see the door that leads to the side yard, and we'll take a look around back and take a look at the other side of that yard. You've got your roll-up garage door with some windows up above that let you have some light in here as well. And pretty much your standard 2-car garage in 1960s fashion, right? So let's take a look over here. We'll go back through the living room again and take a better look here as we navigate around. And it's quite a long living room. We've got it set up with these 2 couches. I think it looks pretty well here. Plenty of space to entertain or comfortably fit a good sized family. Again, you've got the entertainment center right over here on the left side of the fireplace. And it's pretty much it. So on the other side of the house, we've got all the bedrooms. But before I go there, I want to point out that there's quite a bit of storage in this house. So this closet right here actually houses the furnace. The house does have AC as well. And you can see the thermostat behind me. It's got a Ecobee smart thermostat right above. You'll see the return for the heating system. And this is the first bedroom. It's got a pretty large window system, 3 single hung windows on that wall. You've got sliding door closets over here. And I don't have the dimensions for this bedroom right here, but we do have a Matterport floor plan that you can access on the website, 393lasalle.com. And this room is carpeted. The other rooms are also carpeted. The living room, dining room has got this maple flooring, and you've got tile in the entry and in the kitchen. So here we go is another closet, another storage closet. And you can see the current owner has got several things in here, but you can use this as a linen closet or more storage, or perhaps even a little pantry, a little bit off the kitchen. Here's the hall bath. So it's a shower over tub combination. You've got a pretty good size vanity here. This is a 36-inch vanity. Of course, your toilet over here, a nice Toto toilet. We've got waterproof plank flooring that is kind of like a floating floor system. It's in a Carrara marble fashion, so nice and tasteful. And updated hardware, a nice round mirror. So pretty stylish looking bathroom. And right in front of me, you've got another closet. This one is a little bit less deep. It's a shallow closet, but again, another great place you can store linens or your cleaning materials or anything you need to store. And right over here, this is the front of the house. So this is the second bedroom. This is the larger of the 2 guest bedrooms. It's got a really good proportion to it. You can see the sliding glass doors over here. Again, you've got those 2 single hung windows that face the front of the house. But pretty large proportion, I would say. If I had to guess, I would say at least 10 by 13, maybe 10 by 14. But again, you can access that floor plan as well. And here is the master bedroom. So master bedroom might be around the same size as that guest bedroom. It certainly looks like that in terms of length. You've got a slider that leads off to the opposite end of the yard. You've got 3 single hung windows here on the back wall. You've got his and her closets for the master bedroom. And we can take a look inside. Again, this house is occupied, so you've got some personal belongings here. You do want to respect the privacy of the owner and not reveal too much. Here is the master bathroom, and these lights will turn on. You've got a stall shower with a cultured marble surround. You've got a really large vanity here. I'm assuming that's at least 60, maybe 70 inches in terms of width, tile flooring. And you've got your toilet here with a bidet system or a electronic bidet system that's mounted on top. And of course, window out here or a frosted window for ventilation. So we're gonna walk through the house again, get back over here. Now that you've seen the bedrooms, you've seen the 2 bathrooms and all the storage closets, let's go take a look outside. Now this is an oversized lot, Typically the lots in Westwood Oaks are going to be about 6,000 square feet. Because this is on the bend, you've got a really large backyard here. And you can see now that according to the county records, it's about a 7,000 square foot lot. And you do see the sound wall over here. So immediately behind me is Lawrence Expressway. So there is some noticeable noise from the traffic on Lawrence. There is a large lattice that goes up above, and we put this type of covering, which is like a fake or artificial ivy leaf that kind of runs a bit above it to just obscure any sort of traffic up there. Here's the side yard, and this is again like the north side of the house. So you've got your sliding glass door here that leads to your master bedroom. And you can quite see this is a pretty wide back footage. You know, you probably have enough space here if you wanted to add on or potentially even add an ADU on this side of the house. You've got a beautiful pergola over here for a nice area to sit down and relax, you know, right off your French doors that lead into your living room. And so just to orient yourself, behind me, or at least over here on my left-hand side, this is east. On that side, it's west. Straight ahead in front of me is south, and behind me is north, right? So the sun right now, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is just over here on the west side, southwest. So we're not getting any direct light, but you get some nice morning light on this side, and you'll get some more light on the western side of the house in the rest of the afternoon. Here's your air condenser. It's on the opposite side of the bedrooms, which is great, so you're not bothered by noise. And again, you've got a really good size side yard on this south side of the home. So you typically do get good amount of light here during the day. So on the other side of this window is the dining room. So that lights up the kitchen pretty nicely. And that's the door that leads to the garage. We saw that when we were in the garage on the other side. And just a couple other things to mention here. You've got a lime tree over here, or I should say a lemon tree, orange tree in your yard. A lot of lighting. Owner has installed some security cameras. He's upgraded the electrical panel. You can see over there, I believe it's a 200 amp system that he has. So that's great. If you needed to install a car charger in the future, you should be able to do that without having to expand. Plenty of extra service, as you can see right there. And let's go ahead, let's go inside. So when you're inside, the noise is definitely muffled. You don't hear much noise from the road. And of course, I want to just let you know that we are open this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4. If you need some more information about this property, you can access the property website at 393lasalle.com. If you'd like to reach out to schedule a private showing, feel free to call me directly, 408-582-3272, or email me at vbrasil@thebrazilgroup. Hope you enjoy the virtual tour. Please stay tuned for more listings. We'll see you next time.